Well, hey there, and how are you today? As you can see, I'm actually probably in a good mood. I am in a good mood because the Barbie movie Barbie and Ken arrived. And not only did I get them, but my granddaughters got them before I did because I just had to get them for the girls because yeah, you know, grandma reasons. But now I have mine, and I'm looking forward to opening them up because that's how we work around here. We unbox them. Mostly because I do not have a budget for boxed and unboxed versions of anything at this time. So, yeah, it's like that. And I'd rather have them out of the box than in. So, I do like when you get the boxes, of course, they're in a pretty good sized box, and you have Barbie the movie with the star. And I quite like the background on it. I don't know. Yeah, the background in there looks pretty cool. And it's clear up here. Barbie the movie, and of course you have, you know, Barbie on the back in her car. And here is the UPC. So here's Barbie, and of course I think, yep, Ken has the same background. So, and, basically the same box. Except instead of a picture of Ken on the back, it's a picture of the Barbie house. That might be fun to make. Maybe. Anyway, okay. But now that we've looked at the boxes, I want to get the dolls out, right? That's what this is all about. So, let's get Barbie out first. So yeah, so opening it from the bottom made an easier job of opening up the box. And yeah, you do get a little bit more of the scene this way too. However, I think this plastic in the background might be a problem. But let's snip her out and see how that goes. Okay, so she's out. I want to see if I can, by any chance, save this background. Okay, all right, look at that. It is not all ruined. That's awesome. Check that out, huh? Well, instead of the background I have picked, I think I'm going to put this up. Okay, but I didn't get this for the background. I got it for the doll. So, I can verify that the doll looks much, much better in person than she did in those early pictures that we saw of her. She's much, much prettier in person. I'm trying to see if the camera can pick her up a little bit better than... I don't know what goes on with the cameras in this doll. But anyway, yeah, she is much prettier. So, significantly prettier than she was, especially those, oh my God, those first pictures. It's like, who's going to want that doll? But, yes. But here she is. I like her. She is pretty. Not crazy about the bangs. I think I'll probably try to fix the bangs a little bit, imminently. But, the hair feels pretty soft. And, she has she's somewhat articulated. So she's like a Barbie extra kind of articulated, but that's okay. Some articulation is better than no articulation. So I'll take it. All right, so as you can see, her face is definitely not your typical Millie face. She has, she has the Barbie eyes version of, of the Margot Robbie face, which is appropriate. So she does look quite cheerful, and she really is so much more beautiful, though. Anyway, it's gone. All right. So the dress. The dress is, the fabric's okay. It isn't. I heard someone say that it was more like that plasticky, awful fabric that they use for some of the cheaper clothes, but I don't know. I think it's a little nicer than that, and it is finished nicely, and it has all these nice pleats. And, there's been some work, some thought that went into this dress. It does fasten in the back. She has this very pretty buckle, and it is not a painted on buckle, it's a real buckle on. And she has these earrings, and okay, good, the camera is picking it up. If you look, you can see just a little bit of pink in the middle of that flower. And on her necklace also, you have just the tiniest little hints of pink in the middle of all those flowers. And then they did the same thing with her bracelet. Really pretty. I think that is an excellent little bit. And yep, and they do come out easily. They do not have that little jagged thing keeping them in. So, and then we have her shoes. Look at that. Heel's a little soft, so could be problematic for extended periods of time when she's standing. Although, because her feet are not made to move, her feet might actually stay in that shape. They won't be trying to, like go flat or anything. So maybe this might work better on a not entirely made to move doll. But yeah, she's really cute. She's pretty. I do like her. And like I said, I don't want to redo all of her bangs, but I'd like to just soften them up a bit and make it so they can kind of go to the sides a bit. A little less, Honestly, this Barbie looks so much like my junior high and high school best friend. Gosh, I mean, this is like almost exactly her. Oh, yeah, wow. Of course, she was also very beautiful, that friend of mine, and very sweet. So anyway, but this is the Barbie, and let's see. Nope, nails are not painted. I mean, I didn't really expect that they would be, but you never know. And the rumors are true. She is wearing underwear. Okay, but we won't keep that extended. I'm glad they gave her underwear, especially when you have that scene when she's going, whoo, floating down. You know that little girls are going to practice that scene with this doll. So it's a very good thing that they gave her underwear. So, because, yeah. So I now have another actual Ken doll. He's lighter than the other one, but he isn't as tan. So, but let's take a look at him. So anyway, I'm glad he has a different face than the other Ken. So he has his own kind of unique face and very, very pale blonde hair, which I'm glad about too. That he doesn't look like all the others. Now bear with me while I get him out of his box. Okay, so I have him out of the box, and first of all, let's look at his surfboard. So I guess he can ride it then. So that's good. It's a nice color. I'm kind of wish it had some like design on it or something, but it's okay. He's got a surfboard, and maybe his surfboard in the movie doesn't have a design. I don't know. So anyway, as you can see, he comes in this kind of pink and mint green and yellow polka dot shirt, which is opened with no buttons. It's got the press collar, and it looks fairly nicely done, though. Oh, no, okay, it has buttons. He just doesn't button them. Okay, well, And then he's got these, shorts, obviously, if he's carrying around a surfboard, so he's going to be at the beach. Oh, and look, he's got a good fastener there. So, all right. And the shorts do have pockets, as you can see. He's got one hand in the pocket, and we do have the other pocket over here. He also has the same points of articulation as a Barbie extra. So, but at least there is some articulation, and he's got these big old shoes, which, okay, yeah, they're shoes, right? And now we can look at this face, though. I do like his smile. He looks, happy. His hair has so much product. I mean, it might as well just be one of those fake hair things. There's so much product on it. I mean, I get it. It's to keep it in place, but holy cannoli. I mean, Wow, that's I'll probably fix that because I don't actually like a lot of product in their hair. However, the shade of hair is quite nice, and I do like his face. He has a very pleasant face. He looks nice. He looks cheerful, which is good because some of these Ken male dolls I have don't look as happy as they could be. They look a little well, when you think about it, they look a little serious. So there we go. I think this is my first smiling male doll, so which is a nice change of pace. Yay! Yeah, I like that. He looks cute. He's a good looking Ken. So they're cute together, right? They are. Don't you think so? They're a cute couple. I think that's all I have about this pair, but I like them. I do. I think they're cute. I think they'll be nice in my collection. If you like this video, please hit like. Please hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'm trying to move in toward 1900, which is my next goal. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. And oh yes, and of course sharing is caring. So go ahead and pass along this video if you want to. It does help. The likes help. The comments help. It all actually helps, which is very appreciated by me. And so anyway, other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day. I think we're going to have more rain here. Of course, it's going to rain during my vacation because that's just how it goes. But anyway, you all have a great day, and goodbye.